Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sachin. I am the Senior Consultant Pulmonology and Critical Care and Sleep Medicine at Sakra World Hospital. And today on the occasion of World Sleep Days, my greetings to you all. And the theme for this year's World Sleep Day is Regular Sleep, Healthy Life. What is this? I will try to explain in a brief thing. So it's very essential, sleep as a part of our life. 1/3 or maybe less than that, sometimes these few hours of day we devote for sleep. And we all know the importance of sleep. But sadly, for the last 1 year with the pandemic coming, if you see 45% of the world population is suffering from some sort of sleep disorder at some point of their life. But only 1/3 will eventually seek a professional help from the sleep specialist. So what is simple things of the rule of the life is that you should hit your bed at right time. There should be a routine. Daytime, you should wake up, expose yourself to sunlight, do some daytime exercises to tune your body to the sunlight and your normal body clock. So what is relevant is nowadays is work from home environments where the office space encroaches in your routine, and on the bed also you are working and the office is always on your mind, and to the extent that you are pushing your sleep, and that is not healthy. So you see, a healthy sleep is healthy mind and a healthy body. That is what is health. And when a person has these type of diseases, it is a gamut of things which he will suffer, from memory loss to poor concentration to something like a sleep apnea and sleep disorders. That's why we at Sakra offer a holistic view. When a person walks in with these sort of complaints, so it's not about only sleep apnea or the sleep disorder or the CPAP machine we are talking about. It's a multidisciplinary comprehensive team which is there to assess, which comprises of a pulmonologist, an ENT specialist, a neurologist, a dietitian, and also at times the psychological counsel. And we take a holistic 360-degree view at your problem, and we counsel at the same time, manage your sleep disorder, and also tailor-made a prescription for your sleep disease. This is what the sleep day is all about, having a regular sleep and to have a healthy life ahead. So I wish you all a very happy sleep today night, and you sleep tight and have happy dreams. So happy sleep day. Thank you.